Take a ride in the 2018 F-PACE. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.